Child, ain't nothing funnier than when a judge calls out lead counsel. Did you guys hear the latest when it comes down to Diddy Combs and the Lil Rod lawsuit? If you missed it, check out my video that I just posted, but 5 of the 9 counts have been dismissed. However, there is one thing in particular, and this is regarding Tyrone Blackburn, that's the lawyer. There's one thing that the judge said to him. There's a couple of things that the judge said to him, and I'm going to go through them with y'all because I'm like, oh, he was like your little sassy. Go sit your little sassy and come in here with that sassiness again, and we gonna sanction you, sir. Let's read. Now, before I start reading the court records, do you guys remember when I told you that Irv Gotti got busted dead? But Irv Gotti was facing an actual assault lawsuit. This happened in Miami. Well, Tyrone Blackburn was the lawyer for her too, whoever that individual is. I'm not sure if it's still moving forward or not, being that Irv is no longer here. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but let's get into what's going on with Diddy. The judge says, warning to counsel. Before addressing the substance of Jones' claims, the court finds it necessary to issue a warning to his counsel, Tyrone Blackburn. Previously, the court declined to impose sanctions on Blackburn related to the admittedly false claims he filed on behalf of Jones against Universal Music Group and associated defendants. While Blackburn may have acted incompetently at times, the court determined that there was sufficient evidence to conclude that he engaged in a pattern of bad faith. Blackburn also has a pending referral to the Southern District's Disciplinary Committee for his repeated failure to investigate basic elements of his cases. In light of this, the court finds much of Blackburn's conduct regarding defendants' motion to dismiss to be unsettling. Blackburn's filings are replete with inaccurate statements of law, conclusory accusations, and inappropriate, and I'm not sure how to say that, attacks on opposing counsel. For example, in urging the court to consider a grand jury indictment of Combs on related criminal charges, Blackburn writes, as evidenced by the U.S. Attorney Williams' press conference at the grand jury indictment, defendant Diddy Combs and the Combs RICO Enterprises are presumed guilty of being RICO criminal organizations. That any licensed member of the bar would expose such an absurd understanding of the law is not just disturbing, but shocking. Once again, this is the judge addressing, this is the judge's writings. Then, rather than focusing on the claims pleaded in the lawsuit, Blackburn writes that it is evident from the multiple civil lawsuits and 14-page indictment that the kind of actually deviant monster Sean Combs is. Y'all was really making this man out to be just, it's a mess. Payback's gonna be a blip, I'm just saying. Both the operative complaint and